is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are here with the 12 days of Christmas, and this is our final day. This is Christmas Eve. Normally, I do from my heart, my religious, I don't know what you call it, it's just where I do the three wise men, Mary and Joseph, and baby Jesus in the manger. But I can never get it to come out right, so I'm gonna skip that this year, and I'm just gonna go with, Santa Claus and a deer and, America's, I guess, traditional Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. So that's what I was gonna do. That's what I was gonna do. That's what I was gonna do. So that's what I'm gonna do. So these are the plates that I have out. SWM06. This one's really super cute. And this one I'm taking the ho ho ho. It's SWM01. SWM04. This one I'm taking maybe the evergreen trees. Maybe. Here I'm gonna shrink the two deers. I'm going to take two of the deers, which they already are smaller. Where are they? It's these two deers, and they are already shrunken, but I need them smaller. Oh, look at that's a nice one right there. I should take that one for the thumbnail. Let's see how. Let's see. Let me see how I can get this. Gotta get his rack. Gotta get the deer's rack. Let me right if you didn't, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take that was opaque graphite. This is the metallic green. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Wipe your brush. Wipe your brush. Wipe your brush. And a little more of this. Yeah. So. Okay, it came out. Right? Yeah, it came out. These are two deer. Really cool. Okay, so that one turned out really cute. Let me close these. It turned out really cute. Really super cute. So let's go to these plates we've got here. I kind of want these evergreen nails. First I have take the baby nails. Oopsie. I'll take the opaque green. And go over these evergreen trees. Oh, those came out really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Let's see if I get these down across the bottom nail. Look at those, look at those. I really want to take some glitter. And just tap, 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 tap. But I'm going to have to do this off camera because I don't have something to put down below. And just go, oh, here, just go tap, 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 tap. Oh, it's going to go to snowflakes too. Son of a biscuit. That's not going to come out right, is it? Those are my trees. I want to take ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna put this down the ring finger. Sticky white stamping LED, number 3, semi-gel. I didn't pick anything up. I didn't pick anything up. I can't see to get white on white. It's on the ring finger diagonally. I'm not going to be able to really see it until I get the red glitter. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, and I'll rub lightly. Tap, tap, tap. Ho, ho, ho. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. Alright, let's do something on the middle nail. We need Santa Claus. Here it is, my metallic rug. Yes, I found it. Yes. Look and you shall see. This on the index now is the Santa Claus. There's Santa Claus. Let me clean off the plate first because I want to put the glitter on. Lightly rub, tap, tap, tap. And there is Santa Claus. Super, super cute. We got one nail left to do. Yes, yes, yes. This one right here, I do believe. Right, right. Oh, that was perfect. Totally perfect. That is perfect. I am going to take above the tree and put Let It Snow in the blue to white hot to cold sticky stamping polish. I hope it fits. I hope it fits. Let me use the shrinker. Let me use the shrinker. Yes. Let it snow. There we go. There is our set. Is there something else, don't you think? I think these turned out really, really super cute. We are going to top coat them with none other than Shimano's Glossy Top Coat. I think they turned out really super cute. As per usual, there will be a thumbnail, I'm mixing up my words here, a thumbnail with everybody's link to their video in the comments. On IG will be the collage. This turned out really, really super cute here this year. Love the way the deer turned out. Make sure they're all top coated nicely. Sidewall to sidewall, cuticle to tube. So I'm gonna pop them in the lamp for 60. Here's our nails. Oh, they look so pretty, so shiny. You know I had to touch them, so it's something I do. The deer turned out really nice, didn't it? Turned out really, really nice. I'm very pleased with it. Very pleased. So leave me a comment down below. Leave me some words. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, a safe and happy Christmas Eve, whatever you may celebrate. This is not how I celebrate, but, you know, I handed him in, so this is not my way, but Merry Christmas to you. May God bless you. That is how I celebrate. Happy birthday, Jesus.